Let's talk about the 6 snowboard fundamentals. The first snowboard fundamental is moving pressure along the length of the snowboard. We do this by bending one leg and extending the other leg. This helps us press. It also adds a little bit of shape to our turns. The next snowboard fundamental is pressure vertical. Managing pressure vertically between board and snow. We do this by bending both our legs at the same time equally. We use this to jump. We can use this to extend, create more pressure and slow down. Also use it to absorb pressure when we're landing or when we want to change edges quickly. The next snowboard fundamental is pressure along the width. We move pressure along the width of the snowboard by flexing our hips over our heel side or extending our hips over our toe side. We primarily use this for changing edges. We move our hips across the width of the snowboard to change edges. The next snowboard fundamental is tilt. How we tilt the snowboard is very similar to pressure along the width. We just do a little bit more of it and in a slightly different way. In order to tilt the snowboard, on your heel edge, you want to flex your hips and your knees a lot to get a lot of tilt out of your snowboard. On your toe edge, you want to flex your ankles a lot and extend your hips to get a lot of tilt on your toe side. We use tilt to help manage our speed and to carve. With lots of tilt, we get a carve. The next snowboard fundamental is twist. There's one of 2 ways to twist our snowboards. The first way is you can extend one ankle and flex the other ankle. And when you do that, it gets your snowboard to turn. It's one of the easiest ways to get your snowboard to turn. The other way you can twist your snowboard is by rotating your hips. If you turn your hips, it also gets your snowboard to twist and bends your snowboard in a way that gets it to turn. The last snowboard fundamental is pivot. And we create pivot in our snowboards through rotation of the shoulders or through separation of our upper and lower body. So I'm keeping my shoulders in the same place and letting my hips, my lower body, rotate underneath me. Or you can use your shoulders to create rotation to pivot the snowboard. We use this in freestyle and we use this in higher end snowboarding when we need really quick, really fast turns to control speed to dodge trees, moguls, skiers, you name it. Those are the 6 snowboard fundamentals. If you'd like to learn more, check out some of our other videos. And if you'd like to book a lesson with us, send an email to the email in our bio.